In this video, we're going to show you how to easily and safely cut moisture barrier with slice safety blades. We get a lot of requests about cutting moisture barrier. You could use any of the slice safety blades to cut moisture barrier, and all of them are safer than traditional cutting tools, which are very dangerous. So in this case, I'm just going to use our simple little slice safety cutter with a little micro blade, very safe to the touch, but it's really all you need to cut this thinner material, this moisture barrier. You could use any of our blades, but for this particular demonstration, I'm just going to use our little safety cutter. You can cut single or multiple layers using the slice safety cutter, depending on how much pressure you apply. In conclusion, using the slice safety cutter is a quick, easy, and safe way to cut moisture barrier. If you need to cut multiple layers, you can apply more pressure or use one of our longer blade products. Either way, it's much safer than using traditional cutting tools to cut this application. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other videos for plenty of applications of safe cutting using slice safety blades.